Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the Bayliner 2509 Poppa's Toy. She sits here in Niceville. And this is a very, very upgraded boat. She has the full height windscreen and side glass. Most of these boats only had the half screen. To top that off, she also comes with very new isinglass. It's so crystal clear you can see through it. The boat rests on a dual axle galvanized trailer with brakes. Boat comes with a heavy-duty dive ladder, and the pièce de résistance, a 2008 Suzuki 4-stroke 225 that was installed in 2009 and has less than 400 hours. Boat also comes with trim tabs. Now on top of that, we have some new cushions on the boat. Boat comes with a Furuno 1621 radar. Boat comes with a 3-year-old remote-controlled spotlight. And in late 2016, she got a new windlass put on to raise and lower the anchor. Folks, even the trailer comes with a power winch. You're looking at a completely outfitted, ready-to-go boat. There's even a good-looking cushion on the very front, so you can sit up there and get a tan. Boat has a good-looking hull. Owner is looking to move up to a 28 to 31 foot center console so he can go further afield. So a trade might be in your future. Again, this is the 1996 Bayliner Trophy 2509 Poppa's Toy. Thank you for taking the time to look at her.